If you spend a lot of time cleaning up drawings in AutoCAD, this quick tool can save you a ton of effort. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Match Layer in AutoCAD step by step so you can move objects onto the correct layer fast and keep your drawings organized. This is perfect when you need to fix misplaced lines, blocks, or text without manually changing layer settings one by one. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the Match Layer command. You can do this by typing LAYMCH into the command line and pressing Enter. If you prefer using the interface, you can also find the Match Layer icon in the Layers panel under the Home tab. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels faster for your workflow. Once the command is active, AutoCAD will ask you to select the source objects. These are the objects you want to move to a different layer. Click on the objects one by one if you only need to change a few, or drag a selection window around multiple items if you want to update shares at once. This can include lines, shapes, blocks, or other drawing elements. After you've selected everything you want to change, press Enter to continue. Now, AutoCAD will ask you to select the destination layer. This is where the Match Layer tool becomes really useful. Click on any object that is already on the layer you want your selected objects to match. As soon as you click that object, AutoCAD will instantly apply that layer's properties to all of the previously selected objects. That means they will inherit the correct layer assignment, making your drawing much cleaner and more consistent. If you don't have an object available on the target layer, there's another option. Type N and press Enter to choose the destination layer by name from a list of all layers in your drawing. This is especially helpful when the correct layer exists, but nothing visible in the drawing is currently set to it. Select the layer from the list, and AutoCAD will match your chosen objects to that layer. After the layer has been applied, just press Enter again to finish the command and exit. At this point, your selected objects should now be on the correct layer with the right properties applied automatically. This is a great way to speed up drafting, reduce errors, and keep your file organized without wasting time opening the Layer Properties Manager over and over again. So just to recap, type LAYMCH or choose the Match Layer icon, select your source objects, choose the destination layer by clicking an object or using the name option, and then press Enter to confirm. Once you get used to it, this becomes one of those small AutoCAD shortcuts that can make a big difference in your daily work. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more AutoCAD tutorials, beginner tips, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.